ki khubor ka Batisi TV lawan ra shapi da ka Orange Nissan Lumso pho near Fire Brigade Shillong.
Admissions are open at BDW International School. Enroll now.
MLA Barim Jong Ranikor constituency uba Martin M. Danggo ubala penya sob yang kemudukot jong ke National People's Party haka sen ka baar ula penyang ngobha ya ke jing terwa jong ke nong kersan ban mi madan biang sashi sen na ka benta ban ya aireng ha ke election MLA sya ke yeng dorbar thawan ke jilla ka ban salong house nam arajar arpulai. Haba keren na kajing ilang pediang buram kabalalong ha office trekam jong ke National People's Party kabalalong ha ka arpu ar tari kubnai rempang arajar arpu ar hanong ba Shillong uba Martin M. Danggo ubalalong teng menteri ke sorkar jilla bat ulampang barim jong ke yeng dorbar thawan ke jilla ulia thu hadin ba kinong kersan kila terwa ban ajing kersan yu ha ke election kaban salong house nam arajar arpulai ula pen phaktin da kabaong habala rai maki kat bamon Lada Phah sa Dujok ru Ngan Leit Beit.
Layo civil subdivision lang ba jong ka jing yarap jong Chief Minister Badon Buram jongi. Kibru jong lagri constituency claims ngusu yang watla katanga lak kniya yala jong Banwandra civil subdivision daka resignation ru hadin ngalale biang daka NPP bade kikan type no yang Tena kadang ngala sarem hari ke by election ba arajar katkan kapra. Di hadin kato ngaperkat to haba ki fight ba nong kersan jungi lakan thai tiang abade mentoi aisu bani ya lebiang. Tengam don mensimsu bani ya lebiang. Ban join in active politics to be in the active politics. I have no more intention at all. So let me help anybody, whomever I feel like-minded parties or yeah. But thereafter suddenly 2 messengers of Honorable Chief Minister reached my residence at Munai near Ranikor. Honorable MLA Jigor Mertong, Honorable ex-MLA Nihimdi Shira came to my residence and conveyed the message of Honorable Chief Minister. Honorable Chief Minister would like to meet you if you are free. He has sent us to convey this message. I was shocked. Although I have resigned already from the NPP with no intention anymore to contest any further elections, but still then the brotherly feeling that I received from the Honorable Chief Minister through his messengers, I was really moved. Thereafter, I came to Shillong, I met him, then I have conveyed the message, sir, yes, I don't have any grudge against you, against your party. In fact, I should be always grateful to you for the gift of civil subdivision, which was a distant dream for us to get civil subdivision in the remote corner of Ranikor. So I cannot forget you. I cannot forget your good work for the Ranikor constituency. However, sir, I have to consult my people, my leaders, whether they are willing me to send back, they are really willing me to contest again or not. Let me know their minds. So in the month of October 2019, my leaders at Ranikor on the 23rd of October, they have gathered a huge meeting, but there they have unanimously decided Danggo should contest again, but which party we will leave up to him. Which party he wants to contest, let him decide. That was the decision. Thereafter, the grassroots levels, why only that 20 people will decide the fate of Danggo. Why we are not voters? So we should be given the opportunity to have a say in this decision. So thereafter, we have to send the letters, the message to each and every polling station that whether you want Danggo to contest again or not. If he contests again, from which party, that you have to decide. That was so it took a long 2 years to come to the conclusion. After thorough consultation, hadin lare consult bnia napne ki grassroots level, but kamtam ekni ki leader badon hakamat mata. Ta santai lapoi shaka conclusion. Ni pabe dia Danggo banle biak sa shishin job le remru. Kang bangin pano naka parti NPP hi. Tenagaraw habalaray maki ngaong katbamon larang pipa sa Dujok ng Leit. Haba kapi majority lamon laray ba din ang lekum nusu. Ngade mon jur bet la pasa Dujok ro hadu katar ng lajupa. Dia matagasngi katkum karai jongki de ngi lapun ulung no matagasngi ngi bandrung no hakmat jongki sakai NPP with the full hope that NPP can give better service to our state and to the nation as a whole.